Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDs.com. Today we have our Ranger here in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to switch out those old OEM brake lights for our super bright MK2 brake light kit. Let's go ahead and jump into the install right now. All right, to access our bulbs, what we're going to need to do is take a size 8mm socket or wrench and remove these two bolts right here. After you remove those two bolts, you can pull the taillight assembly away from the truck and it'll pop out, exposing our bolts. Okay, our brake light bulb is going to be the bulb that is located at the top of the taillight housing. You want to give it a counterclockwise turn and it'll unclip. You're going to be very careful when removing these bulbs as they are glass, and due to how inefficient they are, they can get very hot if they've been running. Ours have been off for a while, so we know they're nice and cool. You just want to remove that. Take your MK2 bulb, and once you've installed it, to test to make sure the bulb is working before you reinstall your taillight assembly, just press the unlock button on your truck. You can see that it's working. If it's not working, these bulbs are puller sensitive, so you'll just pull it out, give it a 180-degree turn, and reinstall the bulb, and you'll be good to go. So now we can just reverse our steps, put the bulb in a clockwise turn to lock it into place, and then reinstall our taillight assembly and do the same thing for the other side, and we're good to go. So that's all there is to installing our super bright MK2 brake light kit on your Ford Ranger truck. The camera probably can't capture how bright these lights are, but they are extremely bright. They're gonna make you and your families a whole lot safer because they'll make you a lot more visible at night. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing LED products for your Ford truck at F150LEDs.com. We truly appreciate your support. We look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.